In this detailed video, we will see how to check Ejar housing contract and things you need to know before you accept the contract. And also how to accept the contract. This video going to be long, so watch till the end to know everything about Ejar contract. Log into your Ejar account with Nafath. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will be making informative videos. Once you logged in, scroll down to find quick action. Here, you will find all the new contacts or previous contracts. Click here and click on contracts. Then view all contracts. Scroll down. Here you will find all the contracts. Click here to view more. As you can see, this is the new contract. And its status is waiting tenant approval. Click on the three dot. And click View Contract. Here, you will find all the sections which we need to cover. Scroll to the end. Click on Download Draft Copy. Your contract copy will be downloaded. Let's open it. Here is the contract draft. Let's go back and let's go to the top. Let's see all the things which we need to check. Scroll down. Here is the contract period, start date and end date, and the contract tenancy period. Contract timeline. Auto-renewal contract. Property details. National address details. Property location and unit details. Contract party details, leaser name and ID number. And tenant name and ID number. Financial terms. Click on View. You will find all the financial details. Electricity details, meter details. Water meter details. And billing schedule. Due date, rent amount, services amount and rent fees. And payment method. IBAN number, leaser account number. Let's go back. Here is terms and conditions. Brokerage office fee, total fee, registration period. Tenant authority, such as subletting is not allowed. Modification is not allowed, and few other details. Now let's click on Approve Contract. Click on Let's Start. Here check the contract information, start date and end date. Click on Confirm the contract information. Scroll down, here check the leaser information. And click Confirm approval of leaser and approval of IBAN number. Now check your information, name, ID number and mobile number, and click Confirm approval of tenants. Scroll down. Check the property details, confirm the floor number, unit number. Scroll down. National address and building location. And click Confirm approval of property details. Scroll down and check unit details such as number of bathrooms, number of main rooms, halls, kitchen and majlis. Click Confirm approval of unit details. Scroll down and check the financial terms. So in my case, The payment term is quarterly and total fees 24,200. Scroll down and click Confirm approval of the terms and condition. Finally, check the document details and confirm approval of documents. You can also download the contract copy by clicking Download. Once you come from all the terms, click Confirm. Here, check the approval disclaimer. I will suggest reading it all. Click Agree to the above, and click Submit Contract Upload. You will receive an OTP, enter it. And click Verify Identity. Your contract approval has been submitted. Now quickly, let's fill the evaluation and questionnaire form. Choose the appropriate selection and click Send. Please take a second to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on Instagram or TikTok, please follow me. Once you make all the selection, click Send. Your response has been submitted. We have completed all the steps. Now let's go back and check the contract status. As you can see, the contract status has been changed to registered.